all of our great sponsors that are here. And by the way, we have already raised over $100,000 before the doors are open. Oh, that's fantastic.
Brought 7. I saw 3. So okay.
Extra thing of donations or whatever that goes to them or something, right?
Yeah, that's just go. It contributes to our.
I don't know what this is.
Oh, they're giving out awards, dude.
Come on.
Ladies and gentlemen, continue to entertain you throughout the afternoon hours. I got one more one more song. Everything else. It's all good. Let's keep the beer wagon still open. All right. With the Harley Properties, we've got Ed and Ellen Harley, along with Chris Hankins. Their properties, of course, that they manage, the Windjammer, Heron Reserve, and the Grove. And this is for the handout of the Celebrity Presentation Award. Goes to the oldest newspaper in the Southeast, the Post and Courier, ladies and gentlemen. That would be the